Hey guys, Ride Pro back again, another bike for sale. Here we have a 2007 Kawasaki Vulcan 900. It's the Classic edition. Has the spoke wheels. This bike's in excellent shape all the way around. It's only got 5,500 miles. No rust or pitting here. It's in really good condition. If you're looking for one of these starter cruisers, this is a great one. Very inexpensive bike. Rear tires pretty low. I'd say it's about 20-30% left. Got about 1,000 miles left on it. We can certainly replace it here. Cobra exhaust. I saw a small little dent in the tank. I don't know if you can see it there. That's the only imperfection I saw on this bike. Handlebars are in excellent shape. So are all the controls, the cluster, the seat. Except for the passenger seat. This is an aftermarket seat. It does have a couple tears there. You can remove that or just leave it be. But there it is, the 2007 Vulcan 900. It's a pewter in color. Really good condition. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. Bike's been serviced here, so it's ready to ride. If you're looking to have this bike shipped out of state, give us a call, give us your zip code, we'll get you a shipping quote. You can always fly into Tampa Bay International, pick you up for free, and you can ride it home.